Hi everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your TikTok region or location without a VPN. So yeah guys, in order to change your TikTok region without a VPN, you basically have two options. The first one is to get into your TikTok application and then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then click on the three lines at the top right corner and tap on your settings and privacy. And then click on language from over here. And in this page, you need to make sure that first to change your app language to the country you want. I'm going to choose France, for example. And after that, also change your preferred language. And then also what you guys need to do now is to go back to your settings and privacy menu from over here. And then scroll down until you find report a problem. Click on it and then tap on account and profile from over here. And click on profile page. And then scroll down and tap on others. Now make sure to click on this option, which is need more help. And now as you guys can see, you can report to TikTok your problem and tap in something like this. Hello TikTok team, I want to change my region or location of France. Or you can write something similar to that. You don't have to write the same thing. And then click on submit. And after that, it might take a couple of days until the TikTok team reply to you guys. And hopefully these two options that I showed you guys solved your problem. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Until next time.